Today we'll be simply going over how to use AI to create a engaging YouTube thumbnail. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins. Some are free. Yes, some are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, they will help and enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. So if you guys have a chance, go check that out. Now let's get right into the video for today. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be very short. This process pretty much cuts out a lot of time, so it gives you a lot of time back. So pretty much what you want to do here is just give ChatGPT your prompt. So whatever thumbnail you are pretty much going for. So let's say we want to thumbnail for a travel vlog to Asia, right? So I'm going to say, can you make me an engaging thumbnail that is attention grabbing for a YouTube vlog for my channel, and enter. And that's going to give you some feedback. Okay, so it wants the title of the topic. So travel vlog to Asia is the title, with a map and a globe and a cool background. All right, it's giving me some more feedback. And I'm just gonna say, please generate. I'm gonna let ChatGPT do its thing and generate a prompt. All right, so it generated. This is pretty good. This is a pretty good generation right here for our first one. So if you want to add some things or take some things out, you can. Just be specific with the prompt. So in this case, let's just ask them to generate another one. Okay, this is cool, but I'm gonna ask it to add people in the background. Can you add a crowd of people walking in the background and a YouTube logo to this? Nice. This is a lot better right here. And this is a lot more engaging. So you can also add photos of your own. I won't go over that today, but if you guys would like me to make a video of it, I can. You can just mention it in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is very simple. Just generate your prompt that you will want for your thumbnail, and ChatGPT will help you. You can make adjustments to it. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comment section. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider liking and subscribing, because we will be coming out with a lot more content like this soon. All right, guys, I will see you guys and talk to you guys soon. All right, thank you.